started with the first exercise. You can start doing jump ropes. And if you don't do jump ropes, you can always do those butt kicks. Always trying to pick up your feet as much as you can and touching on your hands. Second exercise that we can do is gonna be to do the jumping jacks. Going for those jumping jacks, remember, you can always go for the jumping or the modification on a stepping side to side. You're gonna keep going doing those repetitions until you complete 80, 90 repetitions. Third exercise, it's gonna be for those high knee run. When you go for those high knee runs, you can always be on the running or tapping your hands and touching your opposite hand with your opposite knee. Pick it up and touch it, alternating that leg with a lot more higher, picking up that knee and tap it side to side. Going into the fourth exercise, we're gonna go for those squat kicks. We're gonna go down on a squat, knee level, and kick it forward. Down on a squat and kicking forward. In this exercise, you're already gonna be about to doing 70 repetitions of those with a lot of power. Keep it moving, always give it a powered leg. Kicking it forward, bring those hips back and keeping that chest up. Remember, always embrace your core. Next exercise, you're gonna go down into a plank position and you can always change it into going to the army plank where you're gonna go down into your elbows and back into your hands, or alternating, switching the exercise into plank and tap your shoulder. Remember, you're gonna keep doing these repetitions until you complete 60 repetitions non-stop. Then we moving up to the next exercise, standing up and going into those 50 jumping squats, power squats, going down and up and going up and tap, bringing. Remember, if you are not a jumper or it bothers your knee, you can always stay in your modification, tapping down and up or bringing a little bit more that movement with the jumping. We're gonna keep doing it until we get about 50 reps or those on your own pace. Next exercise, we're gonna go for 40 repetitions where we can go for those burpees. Bring it down and go. Burpees down all the way. Give me that push-up. You can always bring in that modification when you're gonna stand up, bring it down, walk it, and give me that push-up all the way and drop it. You can always do the jumping push-ups all the way down, drop it, the chest all the way to the floor. Remember, down all the way. Good job. Until you complete those 40 repetitions. We're gonna now stop and we're gonna go for our 30 repetitions when we're gonna go back again into that plank position. We're gonna keep those hands in line with your shoulders and we are gonna go for mountain climbers. Those mountain climbers, you're always gonna keep the hand in line with your shoulders, keeping that form. Do not look to your feet, always looking down and the crown of your head facing forward. Tuck those legs in and bring it into your chest. Bring it right in, right there, keeping the core tight. Remember, you're gonna get about 30 repetitions of these ones. And then we're gonna go for our 20 repetition round. That it will be lunges. You're gonna go standing up. We're gonna bring those feet in the railroad track and we're gonna start with jumping lunges or alternating those legs. Remember, alternating those, use your arms, your whole body and maintaining your balance. Jumping lunges or walking lunges. Remember, you can always bring those arms overhead every time you go down and bring it up, maintaining that balance. Use those arms, keep the core tight. Excellent exercise for your full body. And to finish it up, for your last one is you step to the side and give me a hop. A jump. So you're gonna step to the side and bring me a jump. A step to the side, bring me a jump. Kind of like throwing a hoop on the ball. A step into the side, jump. A step into the side, jump. A step into the side, jump. Remember, you're gonna repeat all of these exercises to do it from 100 to 10 with non-stop. All the way non-stop. It will be a really great way to get more that burn and keep up with a good job, everybody. Bye.